This is our black line keel production line. From uncoiling, leveling, forming, to cutting, every step is precise and efficient. Unlike ordinary galvanized keels, black line keels are made from high-strength steel coils. They need post-treatment for corrosion protection but offer lower cost and higher load-bearing capacity, ideal for warehouses, factories, and industrial projects. The line is specially designed for black line steel. Sturdy rollers handle different thicknesses, and precision cutting and punching ensure consistent quality. It can process thicker steel and adapt to custom requirements easily. With this line, manufacturers reduce material costs, increase strength, shorten production cycles, and maintain stable quality, turning raw steel into ready-to-install, high-quality keels efficiently and cost-effectively.